Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to share how I got my Florida driver's license after moving from Virginia. This is exactly what I did step by step so you can follow along. So first I went to the Florida DMV website, Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. And on the homepage I clicked driver's licenses and ID cards. And from there, you'll see the sections for requirements, what to bring, and fees. I tapped the what to bring, then chose US citizen because that's us. And here's what I brought on that day. So for primary ID, I brought my US passport. For social security, I brought my social security card. For proof of address, I brought our lease agreement and the USPS change of address mail. And I also brought my out of state license, my Virginia driver's license. My friend and I booked an appointment. Ours was at 2:50. We arrived around 2:40 at the front desk, and then the receptionist checked our documents to make sure we had everything. Then we waited a few minutes, around 2:50 to 2:55, and then they called both of us at the same time. And the process was pretty quick. They looked over our documents, did their checks, and that was it. We finished around 3:15 to 3:20, and then after that we went back to the front desk. And then we also waited a little bit for our new Florida license, and we were done. And honestly, it was very easy because we came prepared. So here's my tip before you go. Double check your list. You'll need a primary ID like a passport, your social security proof, two proofs of your Florida address, and your out of state license. And on the website, the what to bring page shows everything plus the fees, so it's worth a quick read. And that's it. I hope this helps anyone